Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Khairunisa Rahma Alia from grade 9.5. So today I'm gonna make a video about how to make a pen holder from unused can. The materials and tools we need are can, acrylic paint, palette, sponge, paintbrush, toothbrush, let's start with how to make it. First, we prepare acrylic paint and choose the color we want. Then, grab a sponge and let's start painting. To paint, we can do it by putting a sponge to acrylic color and apply it to the surface of the can by pressing it like this. After all the surface of the can are covered with paint, we will give the final touch in the form of a star pattern. Prepare white acrylic paint and toothbrush, then do the same thing as in the video. Because we use acrylic paint, so it doesn't take long for the paint to dry. And ta-da! This is the end result of making a pencil holder from unused can. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.